Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to review a new camera from a company called Conoco. Now this is an outdoor camera. Conoco is about a 2-year-old company. They actually just celebrated their second anniversary, and they make both indoor and outdoor cameras, and they also have a baby monitor. So we're going to test out this one. This will be the first one that we've tested. They sent us this one to review.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like.
All right. Battery security camera with solar panel.
Oh, solar panel.
We
That's
love the outdoor cameras with a solar panel.
Yes, because, charging your outdoor cameras where you have to take them down is a lot of work.
Yeah, you have to remember they need to be charged. Okay, so it's 100% wire-free, no cords, no worries.
All right, let's take a look.
It's rechargeable, HD, got audio, night vision, and pan and tilt.
Ooh, pan and tilt.
Pan and tilt is pretty fun.
All right.
All right. Okay, let's open this up here. We've got a quick start guide.
Okay. Even shows you how to hook up the solar panel.
This is a user manual.
User manual. All right.
All right,
Yeah,
so
yeah. You need a step ladder for it, it says.
well, if you're going to put it up somewhere high, of course you do. So here's the solar panel.
Ooh, nice. Nice solar panel with a
Nice
long
solar
cord,
panel.
which is really handy.
I like the color.
Man, look at all the stuff in there.
All right.
All right, so we have, well, this looks like a mount for the solar panel. Yep, that's a mount for the solar panel with all the screws you need. That's kind of nice. Okay.
Charging cable.
And these here, these are for the camera to mount. I'll show that in a minute.
Okay.
And it's a micro USB cable for charging, which we don't need because we have a solar panel.
That's
Maybe
true.
the initial charge we have.
Maybe.
You gonna hold on to that? Okay. Ooh, look at this. Let's check what it has on it. Okay, ready?
It's got ears. Like,
It's got ears, and
So
then
gives it a nice
it's got.
connection.
Hold on. Oh, look at what it's got here. Hold on. Before we do this, here, why don't you hold on to that? It's got a mounting plate, and let me tell you,
That's a nice
it's a solid
mounting
plate,
plate, which
right?
is nice. It'll be
Which goes on
really
here.
solid. I like the gray color. It's pretty
Yeah, it
nice.
looks cool. So go. Oops, look, they already rotated. It mounts on here, and then these little thumb screws here screw the plate on. So once you mount the plate and you hook the camera up, that's it. It's pretty straightforward, right? So it's a heavy mounting plate, and then check it out. Look at this. The camera goes, it rotates and it tilts.
Neat.
So you can kind of see everything. And what does it say? Does it do 360 degrees?
Oh, 355.
Yes, but what is the field of view?
Well, I'm assuming that's probably a pretty big field of view.
Oh, see, it says 120 degree. Oh, that's the
Tilt.
tilt.
Tilts 120 degrees and it pans 355.
Okay, if it does 355 degrees,
enough.
if it's got any view, it's going to see all 360 probably.
yeah.
Well, we'll test that and see how that works out. That's pretty nice, pretty well done. And ooh, they got a plastic cover over the whole thing. And does it do night vision?
It does do night vision. It also does audio, two-way audio.
Okay.
So this will be pretty nice.
Look. Okay, so that's pretty. It's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice looking
It's
camera.
really nice and solid, built for outdoor use, obviously. And it's got a free app, Cloud Edge.
So this thing's pretty cool. It records to the cloud, and in the bottom of this thing, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a micro SD card slot. Look at that. And there's also, looks like a power and a reset button. I don't know if that's really a power, but there's two buttons over here. I guess we'll find out when we install what they do. But there is a micro SD card, which is great. That means you can not only do the cloud storage, but also you can do local storage, which is really what we like. That we don't like sending things up to the cloud. Plus, another cloud is another subscription. So that's it. So that's great to hear. We've installed the camera and set up the app, which we will run through shortly. We also install the micro SD card in the camera for local recording. The video you see here is the view from the camera on the iPhone. We set the resolution to HD. In live view, you can record the video or a screenshot to your camera roll. We did not set up the access, however. You can also use two-way talk with the intercom function. As you see, in daylight, the picture is clear, even while using the pan function. You can pan 355 degrees, which means you can effectively see 360 degrees, since the field of view is 130 degrees. Tilt allows for 120 degrees, so you can see from straight down to above the horizon. Noticed that the camera detected motion when we tilted. We noticed this happens in pan as well. The camera has a PR sensor for motion detection that can be adjusted for sensitivity, alarm interval, and you can set the camera to trigger based on human detection for day or night, plus when to be active by time period and by the day of the week. Plus, you can set up multiple time periods. As you can see, it had no trouble seeing me and sending a notification. We haven't seen any false alarms from plants moving, only from panning and tilting. You can play back recordings from the SD card using history. The app shows a timeline that you can zoom on and position the playback to the scene of interest. Once you position the playback position, the app just starts playing. You can select the playback date using calendar. The camera takes some time to read the SD card, so you may see a spinning indicator. Once it finishes reading, you can start playback. Selecting Alert lets you play back the clips by timestamp, which is really convenient. However, we weren't able to figure out how to download the clip without first allowing photo library access. Night vision is good, but camera location is key. We installed the camera on the inside beam of our arbor. The IR lights reflect on the beam, and the picture is washed out until we clear the beam. While panning at night, there is blur. When we stop in an unobstructed position, the picture clears up. Before you mount your camera, we recommend you install the app and pair up the camera first. This way, you can solve any issues at your convenience. The app is called CloudEdge. Download it from the App Store. We already have the app installed. If this is your first time, it will walk you through setting up an account. To pair the camera, click the plus sign in the upper right corner, then select Camera. The app then walks you through setup vocally.
Please power on the device. Please reset the device by...
Basically, they have you reset the device and ask for your Wi-Fi network name and password. Finally, you scan a QR code. After it connects to your network, you should see the camera listed. Here you can change the camera name. Click Done. That's it. The camera is installed in the app. You are given the option to use their guided install. Basically, it provides mounting tips and tests the Wi-Fi signal. Installing the solid bracket was easy, as was mounting the camera and the solar panel. If you are looking for a pan and tilt camera, this camera works well. While it is only 1080p, it does provide good motion detection and a clear picture. Local recording to an SD card is a plus. Thank you for watching our review.